Here's how an old and thrifted landline became a multi-million dollar business. This is 30 episodes of best storytelling businesses on social media. ChatGPT wasn't trying to build a company. She just wanted to reduce her screen time without losing connection. So she bought an old rotary phone and made it Bluetooth compatible with her smartphone. Then in July 2025, she posted one video showing it off. Within 3 days, she hit $120,000 in sales. Here's the genius. She saw a problem in her own life and solved it. Just one person fixing something that bothered them and bringing the internet along for the ride. Your personal frustration might be someone else's too. Build in public. Sometimes the best businesses start when you stop asking, will this sell? And start asking, does this solve my problem?
He loves me. He loves me not. Hello? Hi. Nothing. What about you? Uh-huh. I can come over. Okay. Bye.